What's up, you guys? Rex here. It has officially been over 1 year since I started this channel, so I suppose it's time for a new channel intro video. My name is Rex, and I am now a second-year medical student at Duke University. During this past year on YouTube, I primarily focused on my own journey towards becoming a doctor and helping others achieve their dreams of getting into medical school and becoming a doctor themselves. I want to start broadening what I talk about on this channel to hopefully reach and help more people. I'm still going to cover topics like my own journey towards becoming a doctor and helping others get into medical school, but there's a lot more to my life than just medicine. The motto of this channel that I end every video with is don't be ordinary, go be great. Life is too short and the experience of being human is too amazing to be satisfied with living just an ordinary life. I strive to be great in every area of my life, and I want to encourage you to do the same. So I'm planning videos on academics, intellectuality, health, fitness, diet, careers, personal finance, investing, family, relationships, dating, all with the overarching goal of hopefully encouraging and helping others become that much better in any and every area of their lives. I also wanted to pause and take a moment and thank each and every one of you for all of the support I've had over the past year. All of the views, all of the shared videos, all the likes, all the subscriptions. I'm especially grateful for how surprisingly and almost unanimously positive all of the feedback has been. It has been beyond fulfilling to see all of the incredibly kind comments people leave and all of the emails people take the time to reach out to me and send. It has been an immense privilege to have gotten to help so many people this past year, and I hope to continue to help so many more people in the future. So sincerely, thank you. It has been more fulfilling and gratifying than I can easily describe in a short video. Also, welcome to my new apartment. New year on YouTube, new apartment. Expect some videos showing you around in the near future. But until then, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I'll read and respond to every single comment. As always, like the video if you like the video, dislike the video if you dislike the video. If you want to catch all of the content I talked about in this video, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell to catch all of my future uploads. And until next time, don't be ordinary, go be great.